Factorize. Minus 15s squared minus 210. Solution. Now, for us to factorize this, the first thing we need to do is to get what? We need to get the ACF. That's the first thing. Let's determine the ACF of minus 15s squared and what? And minus 210. Now from here, it is obvious that minus is common. From what we're having here, minus is common. So we have minus. You can see minus here, minus is also here. Now looking at 15 and 210, we can have 3. Now if you divide 15 divided by 3, what do we have? We have 5. Minus is already outside. Minus divided by minus, we cancel. So we have 5s squared. Now, minus is outside here already. So minus divided by minus is cancelled. Minus divided by minus will give us plus. So 21 divided by 3, what are we having? 7. And 210 divided by 3 will be 70. So in this case, we have 5s squared and 70. Now looking at it, what number will divide 5s squared and 70 without any remainder? That's 5. 5s squared divided by 5, what do we have? We have s squared. And 17 divided by 5, what do we have? 17 divided by 5, what are we going to have? 14. Now, looking at s squared and 14, that's all we have left here. This one is non-numeric, while this is numeric. So the only factor that we can get from, common factor, that we can get from s squared and 14 now is going to be 1. And we are not interested in 1. So for the ACF, we have ACF to be equal to what? Minus 3 times 5. And that is what? Minus 15. So we go back to the main question. Minus 15s squared minus 210. So what do? We bring out the ACF, minus 15. Then we use the ACF to divide each term. Minus 15s squared divided by minus 15. Then what do we have? We have minus 210 divided by what? Minus 15. Divided by minus 15. So what do we have? From here we have minus 15 into bracket what? This minus, we cancel minus because minus divided by minus will give us plus. So 15 here 1, 15 here 1. So in that case we have x squared here. Now from here, what do we have? We are going to use this to divide also. So here, minus, we divide minus. Minus divided by minus, we turn to what? Plus. We are having plus here. Now, we are going to use this to divide this also. Here, that is 15 divided by, that is 210 divided by 15 will give us 14. 210 divided by 15 will give us 14. Because 14 times 15 will give us 210. So in that case, it means that the final answer is now minus 15 into bracket s squared plus 14. That is the solution to the problem.